When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, every detail counts. From insulation to appliances, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to reduce energy consumption while keeping their homes comfortable. One often overlooked feature that can significantly boost your home's energy efficiency is the installation of awning windows. These unique windows are not only stylish but also serve as an excellent solution for homes in Sumter, where the weather can fluctuate from hot and humid summers to cooler winters. Here's how awning windows can help improve your home's energy efficiency. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top, opening outward like an awning. This design allows the window to stay open even when it rains, as the window creates a protective barrier that keeps water out. They are often smaller than traditional windows and can be installed higher up on walls, providing added privacy and light. Awning windows are available in a variety of styles, materials, and sizes, making them a versatile choice for homes of all types. Improved insulation and temperature control. One of the biggest benefits of awning windows is their ability to help maintain your home's internal temperature. In Sumter, where summer temperatures often soar, keeping the cool air inside is crucial. Awning windows feature tight seals when closed, preventing drafts and reducing the amount of air escaping from your home. The high-quality weather stripping and tight locking mechanisms ensure that conditioned air, whether it's cool in summer or warm in winter, stays inside. This improved insulation means that your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain the desired temperature. Less reliance on heating and cooling systems leads to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. By enhancing your home's thermal efficiency, awning windows contribute to long-term energy savings. Optimal ventilation with reduced heat gain and proper ventilation is key to maintaining a healthy and comfortable home. However, homeowners in Sumter know that opening windows for fresh air can sometimes invite unwanted heat or humidity, particularly during the summer months. Fortunately, awning windows offer the perfect balance between airflow and energy efficiency. When awning windows are open, they allow for airflow while also acting as a shield against the elements. The design prevents rain and wind from entering the home while still letting in a cool breeze. This helps reduce the need for air conditioning, as fresh air can circulate through the house without the worry of outdoor heat overwhelming your living space. In winter, the ability to open awning windows just a crack is a great way to introduce fresh, cool air, which can help reduce indoor humidity. High humidity in the home can lead to discomfort and higher cooling costs, but awning windows allow homeowners to manage their environment without increasing energy usage. Durable and low maintenance. Awning windows are designed for durability, which means they are built to last through various weather conditions, a crucial factor in Sumter's climate. The sturdy construction of awning windows means they are less likely to require frequent maintenance or replacement compared to other window types. With proper care, these windows can provide energy-efficient performance for years, contributing to long-term energy savings. Moreover, their easy-to-operate design ensures that opening and closing the window is simple, which promotes their regular use and effectiveness in controlling airflow and temperature. Homeowners can rely on awning windows to provide consistent energy savings without worrying about the constant need for repairs or maintenance. Aesthetic appeal and value. Besides their practical energy efficiency benefits, awning windows also add aesthetic appeal to your home. Their sleek, modern design enhances your home's curb appeal and can increase property value. Whether you are building a new home or renovating your current one, installing awning windows is a smart investment that not only boosts your home's energy efficiency but also its overall appearance. Conclusion. For homeowners in Sumter, investing in awning windows can significantly enhance energy efficiency, comfort, and the overall value of the home. By improving insulation, allowing for optimal ventilation, and offering low-maintenance durability, these windows provide a practical solution to energy savings year-round. Whether you are looking to keep your home cool in the summer or warm in the winter, awning windows are a wise choice that combines style, function, and energy efficiency.